it's been really impactful.
It resonated, it struck a chord within me. It's like, oh, I like that a lot.
It was like something activated inside of me when I started this program. And I noticed in my first coaching session after it started, something was different already. And I was like floored.
We as coaches are always on that journey of deepening our practice. And this is a really powerful course to help you improve your coaching, but also become more centered and aware of yourself.
The ability to watch other coaches and get access to their debriefs allows me to be like a kid in a candy store and take little bits that I think are really helpful and then use them with people that I'm working with.